We want to give a special thanks to Just Play for sending us these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, love is in the hair? Wait, what? From Just Play, here is Hairdorables. Big hair, don't care. So shiny. To My Froggy Stuff from the Hairdorables. I haven't seen them yet and I love them already. Presentation is everything, but it's really fun to see what's inside too. Hair is your first clue. I am loving all of these little play on words. All right, we just gotta open up the package here. Oh, I don't like tearing the paper. It's such pretty paper. And we have a scrunchie with Hairdorables Big Hair Don't Care all over it. I wonder what's in the next box. And we have a letter. Hey, my froggy stuff, we love your style. I'm Noah. I'm so excited to introduce you to my friends, the Hairdorables. We just started our own YouTube channel. Each of my friends are super inspiring with a different talent or passion that makes them unique. And you can't forget the hair. All of them have amazing hair. Pull, peel, and reveal to find out which Hairdorables is in hair. Love, Noah. I'm so excited to meet you. On the side, we can see there is an Instagram, hashtag, and website. What do we have here? It's a t-shirt. So cute. This is too much. There is Noah, and she's saying, "Hi, my froggy stuff. I am so loving your style." I can tell already, Noah, me and you are gonna be besties. Fall of 2018, get ready to pull, peel, and reveal. You can see the dolls right here. They are cute. Hashtag InstaLove, hashtag so cute, hashtag so true. I love taking photos of my dolls, and it looks like these are designed just for that. The excitement is growing. Wow, it feels like my birthday. Right here in the front, what is this, a poster? Yes, so we can see several of the girls. Loving those glasses. Pull, peel, and reveal. We're gonna see which girl this is. Just Play, you're spoiling me. So here is the Hairdorables. It is a giant blind box with 11 surprises inside and 36 dolls to collect. This is Series 1. On the side of the box, it says, "Hello influencers, it's your time to shine. Meet Noah and the Hairdorables." Noah is a super sweet girl with a talent for styling hair. When she posted her front braid tutorial for fun, she never imagined it would go viral. Since then, Noah has loads of inspiring friends who love to share their passions. So when she asked them to contribute to her channel, they all yelled out a resounding yes! Check out the Hairdorables channel on YouTube. On the back of the box, we can see the different dolls and their cute little pictures. There are 11 surprises inside, including a doll in an outfit, accessory 1, accessory 2, a signature card, shoes, 4 stickers, a comb, and a collector list. I honestly can't wait any longer. Let's open it up to see which doll is inside. When you open it up, there is a cute little scene on the inside. The collector's list is a poster on one side, then a list of the dolls on the other. It looks like there is a total of 12 different characters, and they all have different looks. Noah, Kat, Callie, Bella, Skylar, Willow, Dee Dee, Harmony, Britt, Sally, Nayla or Neela, I've heard it pronounced both ways, and Rain. And some may be the signature look, rare, or ultra rare. Let's start with box number 1. There is a small package inside and it says, "Here we go!" with a cute little heart on it, and there is a sticker that looks like a picture. Behind door number 2, we have You Go Curl. Instead of You Go Girl, loving this. It's a pair of boots and a sticker that can be turned into a cell phone. Just peel, fold, and you got a phone. It's very thin. I would have liked to put a little piece of cardstock between the layers. Behind door number 3, we have Love Your Style. I wonder what this is. It is a unicorn purse and some more stickers. Door number 4 says Sheer Genius. And in there we have a unicorn headband. I'm guessing our girl is a fan of unicorns. And here she is. Let's see what's in here. It's Willow Waves. Look at all of that pink hair. She has a soft curl to her hair. She's wearing a mint green dress with a shimmer skirt and a heart on the front. It velcros in the back. She has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and go out to the side too, that's pretty awesome, and hip. And they wear a painted bathing suit under their clothes. Let's get her dressed in her boots, her unicorn headband, and here is her purse to finish the look. And here is my last sticker. You know, you could have a lot of fun decorating a doll room with these. Let's take a moment to admire the packaging. We have a cute little cafe scene, and on the side where the doll was hidden, you can use that as a closet. There's just a picture on the back, but if you add some shelves, you're in business. Or you can keep it how it is and display your doll inside. When she's not taking selfies, of course. And here is her collector's card that tells you her name, favorite color, claim to fame, and motto on the back. Let's open another one. Ooh, this background looks like it's set up for a little vlogging. Let's start with the little mystery doors. In door 1, we have a pearly gray comb and a sticker. Door number 2, stickers and cute little sandals with roses. Who has sandals with roses? Okay, no, don't look. You're gonna ruin the surprise. Door number 3 is a camera and another cell phone. This time we're gonna put a little cardstock to give it more support. Now I just have to cut these out and glue them together. We lost the little handle on the side, but now it is nice and sturdy. Behind door number 4, I found a red suitcase that can open and a sticker. And are you ready to see her? It is! It's Skylight's Skylar. First, let me say I love the purple and brown hair. Purple hair rocks. She's totally got my hair color, y'all. We're like totally twins. Only she is about 5 inches tall, about the size of a Shoppy. She has on a pineapple shirt with pink sleeves and glitter, pink shorts. The shorts have an elastic waistband and the shirt velcros in the back. That's right, they are 2 separate pieces. Those shoes are so cute, and I love that they painted the details. I want her to wear the camera, but if you pull the straps off, it's not easy to get it back on. Let's see if her head is easy to remove. Wait, what? It can be removed, but I don't think it's meant to be. But I got the camera on! This background shows a desk, and on the side we have the same closet. I'm gonna glue that little flap down, and we can place some of our stickers on there to personalize it. I have 1 box left, and I'm really hoping to get Noah. Alright, let's see what the backdrop is. Wait a minute. That looks like a double. It's the same background that we just opened. Let's check door number 1 and see if it's the same. We have a different color hair bow. This one is red, so that's a good sign. Behind door number 2, we have some pink strappy sandals. Behind door number 3, we have a little telescope. So yeah, definitely different. Behind door number 4, we have a star headband. And the mystery Hairdorables is Neela, the alien spotting cutie who loves the color sky blue. She is wearing a little galaxy dress with glitter, has two-tone hair, giving her a look that is out of this world. Okay, so just because we get a repeat background doesn't mean we're going to get a double doll. But these are blind boxes, so doubles are a reality. But I really like how the packaging can be used for play. It makes a great background. What do you think about my ponytail, y'all? Super Hairdorables, right? It can be used for storage. There are little Velcro tabs so it can close up. And you can personalize the front of the box by removing the extra pieces, cut glitter paper, glue it to the front, add some glitter cutouts to make a fun background for taking selfies. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Hairdorables. Look for them hitting stores in August of 2018. I gotta say, I am very excited about this doll line. Their face paint is on point. I'm not seeing a lot of factory defects. For the size, the clothing is detailed, and my favorite part is that it can be removed. They have a nice grade of rooted hair. It's going to be a lot of fun to style. And for a doll with the basic 5 points of articulation, I like that the joints can rotate. Needless to say, I found something new to collect. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.